Hello knitting friends, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to work a two-color honeycomb brioche. This technique is an exception to a brioche rule and we'll go over that as we progress. You're going to continue to work one color at a time. Each row is still worked twice. However, after working your color A in a standard traditional brioche style, where you're creating yarn over, slip-on yarn overs and working either a brioche purl or a brioche knit. On the row B, we are going to treat those yarn overs as a stitch. To demonstrate what I'm talking about, I am going to just show you how I work this swatch. If you are a combination knitter traditionally like me, I highly recommend you work your purl stitches in this traditional manner because it will create an extra obstacle for you to correct your stitches while working in color B. So let's go ahead and get started. Now for the color A, we are simply going to work traditional brioche stitches. So we're going to work a slip-one yarn over and a brioche purl. Okay, there we go. Slip-one yarn over, brioche purl. I'm a little slower with the traditional purl. So slip-one yarn over, brioche purl. And we're just going to continue that all the way to the cross. Now that we have finished working color A in our traditional brioche stitches, we are going to slide back to the beginning and we're going to work color B. Now this is where we're going to treat these yarn overs as a stitch. Now I will show you what I mean. We get to the first one. So on here you see how the yarn over is in front of the stitch. What we're going to do is we're going to knit into the stitch behind the yarn over and slip the yarn over. This will maintain the yarn over staying in front of that stitch. We're just going to knit the next stitch, knit the stitch behind the yarn over, slip this yarn over purlwise, and continue across. So knit, knit behind the yarn over, slip the yarn over purlwise, knit, knit the one behind the yarn over, and slip. And then we're just going to work it all the way across. And now we will go over how to work the wrong side. All right, now as you can see on the wrong side of the work, it does not mirror the right side. You have this cute little polka dot pattern. And on the wrong side with color A, we're still going to work traditional brioche stitches. So on this side, once I get configured here, we are going to work up my little salvage stitches. Get the hang of those traditional purls. Okay, so now we're going to do a slip one yarn over, brioche knit. Yarn to the front, slip one yarn over, brioche knit. Yarn to the front, brioche, slip, yarn over, brioche knit. And then you're just going to continue that all the way across. All right, now we've worked all the way to the end, and we are going to, okay, now we're going to slide back to the beginning and work those B rows. Now, just like on the right side of the work, the B rows, you are going to treat the yarn over as a stitch. So we're going to knit our selvage stitches. And now you can see the yarn over is in front of the stitch. So we're simply going to bring the yarn to the back, slip the yarn over purlwise, and now we're going to purl the next two stitches. And if you're a combination knitter, take care to, like me, take care to work in a traditional purl manner. See, slip the yarn over purlwise and then purl the two stitches. So this is very much an exception to the brioche rule because we're only treating those yarn overs as a stitch on half the rows. Slip, purl, two. Slip the yarn over purlwise, purl two. And that is how you work a two-color honeycomb brioche. I hope you're inspired to cast on. It's a fun technique, and it creates a great depth to your fabric. Please make sure you hit that like and subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next tutorial. Until next time, happy knitting!